Welcome to Cozy Baguio Stay with Balcony, your perfect home away from home in the heart of Baguio, Philippines. For booking details, don't forget to check the QR code or description below. Imagine waking up to crisp mountain air and stepping onto your private balcony, where you can take in breathtaking views of lush landscapes or the vibrant cityscape. This charming hotel offers a single, well-appointed room designed for comfort and relaxation, blending modern convenience with the cozy charm Baguio is known for. Whether you're here to explore the city's bustling markets and cultural sites or to unwind amidst nature's tranquility, this stay puts you right where you need to be. Location is everything, and Cozy Baguio Stay delivers. You'll find yourself just moments away from popular attractions, making it easy to dive into the local scene or escape into the serene beauty of the surrounding mountains. Families will appreciate the welcoming policy. Children aged 2 to 7 stay free, making it a budget-friendly choice for those traveling with little ones. Check-in starts at 2 p.m., giving you plenty of time to settle in, while checkout is until 11 a.m., ensuring a relaxed end to your stay. Convenience continues with free on-site parking, so you can explore Baguio at your own pace without worrying about your vehicle. Stay connected with complimentary Wi-Fi, perfect for sharing your adventures or catching up on work. Whether you're here for leisure or business, every detail is designed to make your stay seamless and enjoyable. Ready to book your getaway? Don't forget to scan the QR code or check the description below for more information. Cozy Baguio Stay with Balcony awaits, where comfort, convenience, and the beauty of Baguio come together for an unforgettable experience.